If you've already transitioned in your career from a professional role to a consulting or technology or finance role and plan to apply for an M7 or a top 20 MBA program, strategically use your previous lived experiences, both professional and cultural, for your MBA essay. For one applicant, a doctor who served in rural communities, he pivoted to a policy role where he advised the city council on improving access to healthcare for low income families. A surprising parallel existed for patients in rural communities and low income families with trust in healthcare services at an all time low. The policy rejection rates from insurers and a history of misdiagnosis were the cause of the discontentment. The solutions that the applicant suggested came from his experience coordinating with insurers and offering diagnosis for the patients. The follow-up visits were broken, and the policy solution addressed this crucial gap and created a new incentive to allow patients to seek coverage for follow-up visits, regardless of the gap between the first and subsequent visits. Anyone with early exclusive policy experience would not have brought the perspective of a doctor that the applicant's lived professional experience offered. The second example is an applicant from a military family. He created a digital app to report symptoms of PTSD and shared the tendency of veterans to underreport their symptoms. Many such underreporting was cultural, and many were from a lack of insights into what counts as symptoms of PTSD. Only with a haptic feedback mechanism that measured stressors which correlated with PTSD biomarkers could the applicant tweak the app and improve reporting. Later, when he volunteered for a nonprofit offering counseling for veterans, the app offered in-depth reporting on the biomarkers. For help with brainstorming ideas for your M7 and top 20 MBA application essays, contact me, Atul Jose, at editor@fngmat.com, or you may use FNGmat's contact form at store.fngmat.com/contact-fngmat.